Hello, welcome to Graceful Grammar Lessons. This lesson will cover the words his and he's. Let's look at each one individually. His, possessive pronoun or possessive adjective, meaning belonging to or associated with a male person or animal previously mentioned or easily identified. For example, possessive pronoun: the blue car is his. Possessive adjective: that is his book. He's, it is a contraction, a short form of he is or he has. For example, as a contraction of he is, he's going to the store. As a contraction of he has, he's been working all day. To summarize, his, it is used to show possession or association with the male subject. He's is a contraction that can mean either he is or he has. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a lesson.